Aprang si media bitung numhana kero pilo pini piposi lebang so perang kia mai ke phanang kok alam the bang ke lahan lo nilitum mithang sai hem long si karbiang long women justice forum sai hem long nilitum perang kia mai ke pha bang ke lahan lo ke dam tang ni aprang Dr. Momin alang li statement kachipi ke kechokche aputhak nilitum ning duk pik ning oi pik alang li lapuson statement ki pia bang nilitum condemn lo athe pipot ma le pudang te karbia khai lapu anarni ajak ding pi penakar I ka che song ko piposi men ni tum han pawe der lo nang pawir pi der lo labang ni tum ning du ning oi pik la si pini labang so channel pen setame Dr. Momin phan ni tum pachini lo la pen prabjin pen alang ni karbia khai so phan alang ni tribal puyong si chipu ke claim thek jia bang ni pudang te alang ni dia cho hang nai la so pata dia choyang non karbiak khai phan rat tuman dia choyang oi piposi karbiang long article 244 a ke do anta soselo kulo nilitum kulo ko anang thek lo ke long ko an lo ke me lasila so phutha ka bangke alang li prabjin pen dia choyang vek nangi tribal so phan alang jong si hempre ka baha phan kam claim je phan aning hang he bang ke support ka ve bang pote ke claim thek bang pang ni na ke claim thek abang pa claim nang la da alang dak do de noi claim pi de noi alang li la so puthak long claim mun de noi ke claim thek tum pa claim nang ke people lo pini Dr. Momin men nang karbo phak ke karbia khai ke vi ke joy mandet lo ma aprang sor inglong so tum jail ke jang phong kache boycott pendang lo people lang hempre ka pharman ko an lo ne songja potum se tame aprandam tang lo ingnam nampi namdur setame hempre ka baha phansi claim tanglo setame pipo si pini non second nang bong nilitum phanang pache dong phun lo ning nang poi det lo tribal la subhan pipo lo chong thui de nang claim thek the ya bang pote ke claim thek bang pa claim na la sin next MLA bang ke nang li do thek the poli putang te kiduji tumpa do na hempre article 244 a fan ka che don thek the bang pote nang li MLA pen next bangke do de no ada thodun de no nang li ninge hang he ka chedon de bang lo lake pini la so phuthak bang ni litum condemn lo Dr. Momin labang so statement ka chipia phuthak ni litum condemn lo kasi karbiang long women justice forum pen bangke labang so pherang ke mai ke phadun ke lahan
well I would like to say about Karbiang Long Bokajan district MLA Numal Momin, what he have stated in the media that he said that 244A, he said that he has everything we have got a successful about the Karbiang Long about the 244A. So what he said, we are not satisfied with what he said because Karbiang Long, he said that he has enough everything we have got the implement for the Karbiang Long. It is not enough for the Karbiang Long because the ancient earlier days, because the people of Karbiang Long, we have struggled so much that we have fought for the freedom of Karbiang Long. They have died, they have killed, and they have means they have got the blood, everything they have struggled for the Karbiang Long. And now at last he's saying that the Numal Momin, he said that it is enough for the Karbiang Long because everything we got the successful. It is not enough. We condemn women justice of Karbiang Long, the Bokajan district. We could condemn Numal Momin because we are not satisfied with what he said. So we would like to say that if Numal Momin, if he doesn't want to stay here in Karbiang Long, better to go out in anywhere, any place, wherever he likes to go. We don't want Numal Momin to stay here because he said that it is not satisfied with Karbiang Long people. And we are, we Karbiang Long Bokajan district, women justice, we condemn him that it's better to stay away from the Karbiang Long, or we need to say that he should beg pardon for the Karbiang Long people if he would like to stay here in Karbiang Long. Otherwise, we are not satisfied with what he said.